on-chain. Hey, on-chain revolution, Bitcoin not an illusion. Market recap, then I do a roll call. You're not bullish in the vocal. Look at the price action, yeah, send it to the deck, sell it through the stack. Ordinals the best. Too much Bitcoin, gotta go to read. If you end up bearish, gotta put the knee pad. Let me see the comments. Look at the fear and greed index. Bridge, look at the chart.
Welcome back to OnChain Revolution. My name is Shizzy. On this channel, we cover the entire crypto ecosystem. What is up, guys? We have an amazing tutorial video for you guys today because today is migration day. What am I talking about? So now, over on Solana, you are able to go from Pump Fund, their pools over there, to Bonk. You're now able to go to Bonk to Pump Fund. You can actually go to any pool that you would like to go from one to the other, all brought to you guys by the great people at Emblem Vault, Agent Hustle, and MigrateFun. 3 projects, 1 coin, all powered by the Hustle coin. And today we're going to be walking you through that. So without further ado, let me bring out my partner here, as always, Mr. Iago B. What's up, buddy?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
All right, man. Tell me what you know about MigrateFun and why is this maybe the biggest game changer we've seen in a long time?
Yeah, it's migrate season, right? Migration season, I should say. Finally, the day has come to where it goes into action, and I think it's huge because we've heard about migrations before, but they were almost kind of like not really thought deeply about. I feel like, obviously, if you're a part of that token community, you want to make sure you get into the migration to a new token standard on Bitcoin or whatever, but like we haven't looked at it as like kind of like a service ever. And the guys from Emblem Vault, they do what they always do, and they were kind of solving a pain point of their own, and then said, hey, this is a product now, basically. And what it did was get a lot of attention. First, a lot of hate, and then there was like different levels of grief from some of these these launch pads. They're like, okay, we don't like this because it's going to take business away. They're like, okay, we can't stop it. And then but everybody was like, okay, we want to be a part of it. And that's where we are today. And so congratulations to the Emblem team and the MigrateFun team, I should say. But yeah, they're kicking it off, man. And I think it's going to help a lot of these teams.
Yeah, people don't understand either. The Agent Hustle team, the MigrateFun team, the Emblem Vault team, these are just 9 guys who are just kicking ass right now, right? That's the biggest thing. It's the same people, they're building the same projects, and they're doing an amazing job. So we're gonna walk you guys through exactly how to get started with it. So without further ado, let me bring up my screen real quick. And first thing we'll do is we'll go to their Twitter. The first thing I like to do is make sure I get everything I need from the Twitter account. This is it right here. Make sure the 3,518 migrate.fun now migrating 14 tokens. Make sure you got the Agent Hustle community in there and everything else. So I think they do have tutorials on here as well, but we would like to do our own around here. So first thing I want to do is go to their Twitter account and then go over to migrate.fun. This is what it looks like. You got Mr. Hustle down there, powered by Hustle, of course. They have a question thing right there as well. And then you just want to come down here and find the token you want to migrate. For us, today we're going to be migrating Zira, formerly Money. So when you hit the button, you can kind of see what it is going to be and what it was. So what is happening here is I'm going to be receiving a thing called MFT. And then you'll be able to eventually be able to burn the MFT for the Zira token. So right now I'm going to just go over here to money. I'm going to hit max. I want to basically migrate all my money tokens to this new one, Zira. And I'm just going to come down here. I'm going to hit migrate, and my wallet's going to pop up. It says you are acquiring an asset that can be frozen. Blah 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 blah. Right? We know what we're doing here. We're going to hit confirm, and it's going to migrate.
Had to do some horrible sound effects there.
100%. And then what you can do here, you can go over to your X account, right? It's going to log me in here. So I don't want to do this from this account. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to switch over to my other account, which is a Shizzy account. I don't want to tweet this from the OnChain Revolution. And I'm going to post, bring my screen back up for you guys. Go to post, and it's paste that in there just like that. And I'm going to post it. Let everyone know that I just migrated the money to Zira on migrate.fun. So we're ready to go. That was it, guys. That's really it. Just copy the image, share it, do whatever you want. So I go to my wallet up here, my Phantom wallet, and in here it's going to say, I think it's probably
at the very
NFT,
bottom,
right? There it is. There it is.
Yeah.
Cool. So I got the same exact amount of tokens sitting there waiting to this, and then later I'll be able to burn this and get my Azira tokens the right way. But this is going to be really big, guys. This is the new way of moving around to their on-chain moving company if you want to go from one pool to another. And for anyone out there who, you have a project and you have a project, maybe it's not on Solana and you want it to be on Solana, you can work with them, or so on and so on. That's to say you're stuck on Pump and your token's not doing well. Maybe try reaching out to them and kind of moving that to Bonk, or maybe even moving into your own pool on Radium. But there's a lot of options for you guys to do. Reach out to that team if you want to move, and I think the Great Migration was a success.
Yeah, absolutely. We've seen what it did for the Hustle token. Like I said, they were solving a pain point for themselves, and what it does is it gives you kind of like this burst of energy for your community, and kicks things off. To really have a new beginning in a sense, right? You got some pretty big projects like the Hello Kitty community, which is really cultish, that are a part of this migration as well. But if you are interested, like Shizzy said, make sure you reach out to the migration.fun team. Let them know you're interested, and they'll just ask you some simple details and then get you started and hopefully get you into that next cohort.
Yep. But that's our show, guys. Really appreciate it. And just to make sure you guys know, we are live Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, 8 a.m. Pacific, and 3 p.m. UTC. And until tomorrow.
Peace.
OnChain Revolution roll call. Market recap. You not bullish enough. No. You're not bullish enough. No. Look at the price go. Bitcoin control. Why you still coping? Price action rolling. Don't fall for bear trap. Swapping indexes and putting it up in the sex. I can take profit right now. OnChain is where I be now. You can never look back. They don't want you to know. How did the market react? Fear and greed, gotta adapt. Now we bridging the tokens and marching the network right now. You know how crazy we are. Nookies are savages now. They know how crazy we are. Chain abstraction, main attraction.